Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to change the status of an issue or a task in Jira. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. This is fairly simple to do and you will have no problem following what I'm doing. So yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is enter in Jira, and here you are greeted by the main page of your project where you want to edit the status of your files. So guys, after entering this and being greeted by this page, we want to look at the left side here. We really see all of our options that we can enter, such as backlog, active sprints, and so on and so on. So let's go to the backlog of our project where we will be able to find all of the issues that we're currently seeing. So to change the status of an issue, as you can see, let's say that we're clicking here and we can see that this is currently to do, this is currently to do, and we want to set it to either to be done or to it is done, and so on and so on. We want to do the following. Go ahead and click on this blue button on the right of side called view workflow. As you can see here guys, after clicking your workflow, you'll be greeted by this page where you'll be able to edit the information about your project. So the next thing we want to do guys is find this button right here which shows us to do, and we want to click on that. So now guys, we can change it to either in progress or done. So let's say this issue is done, we want to click on done. And now guys, you can see it has been changed to done, and everybody will be able to see that it is done. So guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.